So I think it's really good to come to the University Open Day because it's a chance for you to explore the city and picture yourself here and think about whether this is somewhere that you want to come and study. It's great to look at photos online and to look at the information we have on web pages, but actually coming to the city, you can start to imagine whether this is somewhere that you want to spend 3 or 4 years of your life.
In one word, chaos. It's incredibly busy, so there are tens of thousands of students and parents going around to look around. I would say it's a nice type of chaos. It's not like a riot or anything. But I think, be prepared for it to be busy, and also be prepared for, to wait for tours of colleges, to wait for tours of departments, because it does get very busy.
My advice to students is always to plan 3 to 5 colleges that they might want to visit, not try to visit any more than that. To be honest, if you try to visit more than about 5 colleges, they all start to blend into each other, and it's really difficult to, at the end of the day, pick one college out from another. So think about which areas of town you might want to visit colleges in, whether you want to visit smaller colleges or larger colleges, and how close to the department the colleges you're interested in might be, and plan your route around the town that way.
First thing I would ask is to ask a member of admissions staff exactly what is the application process at each individual college, because whilst we are broadly all the same, there are some differences between us. So a college might ask you to submit written work for something, another college might not. You might have to take an admission assessment at one college, say in history, but in another college you wouldn't. So for example, at Corpus, we don't have the admissions assessment in history. So I would, any sort of what you might think of like nuts and bolts admissions questions, I'd get hold of a member of the admissions team and ask them there and then, and obviously make notes.
You might also find that you can talk to some directors of studies, and certainly at Corpus Christi we'll have directors of studies available to talk to you at certain points in the day. So think about anything about the course that you want to know about.
So I think the best thing about the open day is I think the atmosphere, like the sense of activity, the sense of lots of students being excited about trying to work out what college they want to apply to. So I think that is quite exciting, and also all the undergraduates will be working at all the colleges will also be really excited to show you around their college and to talk about their college experience. So I think that is a lovely thing. It's a bit of a cliche, but there is like great energy about the place, and I think any person who comes on the open day who've experienced that will be excited to come and study at any college here at Cambridge.
I think the best thing about attending a Cambridge Open Day is just getting a sense for the city, and also being surrounded by a lot of other students who are also really keen to apply and at the same point in their academic journey as you, and excited to get going with the process.